Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can pay Atome Card with LANDBANK application. So in this one, we have 5 steps. So let's start with the first one, which is to log into LANDBANK application. So in this one, this is where the payment is made through the bills payment module. So just open the LANDBANK mobile application and log in securely using your credentials. So you just have to ensure that your account has sufficient balance to cover the Atome Card payment amount. Next step is to select bills payment. So from the main dashboard, you just have to tap on the payments or the bills payment option to proceed. So this module lets you pay various merchants and institutions, including credit card providers. Next is to choose the Atome biller. So search or look for Atome, then sometimes listed under the credit cards or financial institution in the biller list and select it. So if you cannot find Atome, just check the LANDBANK website for the exact biller name or code. Next is to input payment details. So just enter the 16-digit Atome card number and the exact amount that you wish to pay. So you just have to make sure that you double check the card number since payments made to the wrong cannot be easily reversed. And lastly is to review and confirm the payment. So review all the details like the card number the amount and the fee. And then just enter the one-time password, the OTP, or the PIN to authorize the transaction. So you have to keep the transaction reference number or the TRN for proof of payment. So this may take 1 to 3 business days for Atome to reflect the balance. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!